back to another squishy update video. Oh my goodness, I am so excited because today I got so many packages in the mail, and all of these are from BANGGOOD.com. BANGGOOD actually reached out to me personally and asked for me to review some squishies for them, and I almost fell over dead when I read the email. I was like, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It is so cool, and it means so much to me that these squishy companies want me to review their merch. So yeah, I have 4 bags from them, and 1 bag I actually ordered for myself. I actually ordered these items before I was contacted by BANGGOOD. Links to all of the squishies you're about to see will be in my description below, so be sure to go check those out. Go check out BANGGOOD. They have so much more than just squishies. They have so many other toys. They have clothes, jewelry, electronics. They're bomb. So without further ado, let's get squishing. Let's open this one first. Oh my gosh. This is massive. So as you can see, the first thing I pull out is this giant ice cream cone. It's a beautiful vanilla soft serve with a huge pointy cone. It is super duper soft and squishy, as you can see. And it smells so good. It smells kind of fruity. It doesn't really smell like ice cream or vanilla, but it has a super duper sweet fruity smell. Wow. And this thing is heavy, like, whoa. And it looks like there's one more item in this package. Oh my goodness! It's a little bread loaf. This is a really unique packaging. It's like a little bag that the bread goes in. I'm not really sure why it says Mau Mau on there. Maybe it was supposed to mean Moo Moo because there's a cow on it. The last time I heard, cows didn't say Mau Mau. Oh my goodness! It is so cute. This one does not have a smell. It's just a foamy smell. But oh my goodness. Look at how nicely shaded this is. And it even has an eye pin if you wanted to hang this from your phone or your purse. It's really, really soft. Not extremely slow rising, but just enough that it's good. Okay, moving on to the next bag. I think there's just one thing in here. Oh my gosh. It's huge. It appears to be double bagged, which is cool, I guess. Oh wow. This is a gorgeous octopus. You guys, look at this adorable octopus. It kind of has like a galaxy kind of paint job going on, and it smells so good. It smells like some kind of fruit. The scent is so strong. And it's amazingly squishy. I love how pearlescent the bottom is. It makes your hands smell so amazing. And I noticed that there was a little bubble defect on the top, but that's pretty common for these kinds of squishies. Not really a big deal, still super cute. So amazing. Okay, we're moving on to the third package. Ooh, this one looks like it has a really nice packaging. Oh my gosh! It's a cat. It's a cat. This packaging is just so cute. And oh my goodness, you guys. This squishy is by Angie Squishies. Angie's brand makes those really giant bread rolls and bread buns. This is a really, really good brand. I'm so surprised that BANGGOOD is selling these awesome brands. I cannot wait to open this. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. And it smells amazing! I wish you guys could smell this squishy. This cat smells like, oh, it's so hard to describe. Maybe like strawberries? It smells so, so good. And there is the Angie license on the bottom. I am still so shook that this is like a legit licensed squishy. BANGGOOD sells the best squishies. I love this squishy so much. Both of its little ears are squishy as well, and even its little feet. There are a couple of wrinkles on the top, and I think that's just where it was in the packaging for so long, through shipment and all of that. But look at this cat. Okay, on to the next package. Here's just a little invoice card that shows what they sent me. The first item, is that a unicorn on a moon? That looks insane. No special packaging for this squishy, but honestly, it doesn't need it. This squishy is so cute. And this one is definitely the softest of the bunch so far. It's almost like powdery. It feels so good. Oh my gosh, this one is the most polarizing out of all of them too. This one I don't think has a scent. I do kind of smell a really faint sweet smell, but for the most part it is not scented. I mean, look at that. Just look at it. BANGGOOD. I just don't know what to say anymore. Okay, there's one more ginormous squishy in here. What is this? Can't really tell what this is yet, but this packaging is adorable. It's got this really cute like little geisha girl on there. I'll go ahead and squish whatever this is in the bag. Whatever it is really squishy. Oh my gosh, it has a hat. It's a mushroom! Okay, this is my favorite squishy from this entire haul. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, BANGGOOD. I finally have my mushroom with a mustache and top hat. Sadly, Mr. Mushroom doesn't have any kind of scent on him, but look how adorable he is. Oh, he is so squishy. Even the hat, like... This mushroom is so amazing. He is the perfect size to squish. It fits perfectly in both of your hands. I love you, Mr. Mushroom. Mr. Mushroom, you have made my day. Well guys, that was it for yet another squishy haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I had fun opening all of these amazing packages. Again, a huge thank you goes out to BANGGOOD for reaching out to me to review your awesome squishy products. They have such amazing squishies for unbeatable prices. I mean, for real, they even have licensed squishies for like a third of the cost. Again, links will be in the description to all the items you saw today and to BANGGOOD. As always guys, smash that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay squishy, y'all. Bye!